This is what's beautiful in the garden today. I know these are a member of the onion family, and they look like the little alliums that you put in the fall and they come up in the spring. But these are summer flowers, and I will put the name of them. They were given to me by a friend who had a garden party, and these were little party favors that she put out at the end of the party for each guest to take. And I absolutely love them. Love purple, as you know. So this color, pom-poms, just gorgeous. Just sharing my beautiful Pinky Winky Hydrangea Standard. It is so gorgeous at this time of the year, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. It is one of the things that is beautiful in the garden. Thanks for watching.